Bird and Kip, episode 59. The horrible day. I lost my perfect icon, cried Kip. This is a horrible day, said Kip. Bird flew over to Kip. I'm going to a beach, Kip. Do you want to come? No thanks, Bird, said Kip. What's wrong? asked Bird. This is a horrible day. I lost my perfect icon. Don't worry, said Bird. You'll find another perfect icon. Bird flew off. Bird is right, said Kip. I found another perfect icon. Kip went to a playground. He saw icon on a steps. He climbed to a first step. He found a cracked icon. Kip climbed to a next step, but no more. He found a marked icon. Yeah, said Kip. Kip climbed to a top of the steps, but there are no more perfect icons. This was a horrible day.